Good morning. How you guys doing? It's Nefertiti Malloy. Welcome to my channel, guys. So today we have something very special to me and probably to you. I'm giving you guys ideas on what to do if you have like a newborn on like some arts and craft type of vibe. You get what I mean? So if you guys comment if you guys know what we're gonna be doing. It's a bit of a surprise. We're gonna be using this acrylic paint. So yeah, thank you for joining me. Like, share and subscribe. I enjoy your company. Thank you. You can even share, guys, if ever if ever a bitch is doing the thing. So yeah, let's get it. Okay, hi guys. So this is the star of the show, my little best friend Kinelwe. What's her name again? Kinelwe. Kinelwe Haven Naledi, or is it Naledi Haven? Either way, this is our Barbie doll. We're gonna be using her toes for this arts and craft. You see? We're gonna be using her toes and her fingers. So yeah, just wanted to show you guys our little angel. Yeah, she got really long legs. She really has. Okay, hello guys. I'm back with the voice and don't Tony. Alright, so what we're gonna be doing here, we're just gonna be painting her little cute feet. Oh my gosh, guys, when I tell you that she is a fighter, just like her auntie, so I take the credit there. So yeah, and we had to do like, so I'm gonna reveal by the end why we couldn't do the hands as of yet, because as I said, she's like genuinely a fighter, like, and since my sister's like a new mom and everything, we're still so fragile and like, you get what I mean, like she's still so she is very precious, you get what I mean, so we just don't want to hear her cry. Yeah, so it was an experience, man. It was genuinely an experience. So what you see down there, the green turning, is what we're gonna be washing. Is her like, oh, but they look cute, eh? They actually look cute. So yeah, like I'm not sure if you guys want the final results, because I don't think like she's done. But if ever push comes to shove and you get what I mean, we get done with it, we get done with this project, I promise that I'm gonna upload it. Yeah, just look it out. You get how adorable that is. You get how adorable that is. Okay guys, like, share, follow, and yeah man, I'm gonna like Google what these are called, but like yeah, thank you for joining me.